Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Profitec 700. I came to the shop because the pump was struggling, and after some digging around, we found that the inlet filter, with the mesh inlet filter on the plumb side, the machine was clogged, because when testing it, the tank side worked perfectly fine. It was just the plumbed inside that was having trouble. And so here's the old filter. This is basically the first thing that water sees in the machine. This basically keeps particulates out of the machine, keeps it from causing obstructions, messing with valves and things like that. And you can see by the color, hopefully it's blue. If you're talking to the customer, it seems like that there's something wrong with their pipes that's causing the copper to sort of slough off and produce a sort of dusty substance that's clogging up the filter. There's not really no way to clean these. We just end up replacing them. Just as an example. Here's a brand new one. It's just this sort of cylindrical mesh puck. You shouldn't be able to see through it. It provides a lot of restriction on its own, so when it's clogged, it provides even more restriction, sometimes not even letting any water through. So, yeah. We have the machine plumbed in. As you can see from the pump gauge, it's about 6 bar, just straight from tap. I'm not going to adjust I'm not going to adjust the pump or anything, because that's going to be dependent on how the setup at home. So it might be too high of a pressure, but this is just to demonstrate that the machine works and that there's actual water flowing. Just have our test coffee here. A little bit of spillage. But yeah. Definitely needs some adjustment. A little bit of a fast extraction, but it's a lot of volume that we weren't seeing before. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching.